Today I want to show you how to program the electronic keypad that comes with the Holland 2-hour fireproof office safe. The factory code that it comes with is star 4560 pound. Here is the battery door compartment. Requires 4 AA batteries. To open it, star 4560 pound, and the safe unlocks. In order to change it, there is a master code button on the inside. That button is located inside this little hole. You have to stick your finger in there, and then when you hit it, you'll hear a little beep on your keypad. And then I can change the code. Notice I'm not going to hit the star button. I'm going to hit 5555 pound because that's my new code. Before you close the safe, test the code. So now I'm going to hit star 5555 pound, and it shows that it was a match. I like to be extra safe and throw the bolts, and you'll see a little pin right here. And the bolts will throw when I push it in. Then I come back and I hit star 5555 pound, and my bolts go in. One more time before I close it. Star 5555 pound, and that's all there is to it.